Hello guys, welcome to Tech Check Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change my YouTube language. So first, you just have to log into your YouTube account and then click your profile at the top right corner. Tap this one. Now what you're going to do next is to simply scroll down till you see a language or till you see the language option. So scroll down here and then go to language, tap this one, select your preferred language here. For example, I want to use Spaniards or Espanol rather. So I have to click this Espanol right here. And after that, it will reload or refresh your YouTube page and you will see that the words, the characters here are also in Spanish or Espanol. Don't worry, you can see it above that if you want to translate, then all you have to do is to click English. Or if you want to change your language again, just tap your profile and then go to language and then it will change your language. As easy as that. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.